gonna take you to a super exciting adventure, Maurice. As if you think that it can't get any better. But now we're going to my favorite place in Peru, the jungle. The jungle. 31 degrees! Arrived at Puerto Maldonado. This is so excited. We're about to embark on an epic adventure. We're gonna go with Rainforest expedition all the way into the deep of the Amazon jungle. We're in the Tambopata river. We're gonna navigate for about 2.5 hours until we get to our first lodge, refugio. So our first glimpse of wildlife. We saw capybaras, macaws and caimas. Can't wait to see what the rest of the journey is gonna bring us. Look at this, so nice! Ooh, look at this! I love showers in the outdoors. Oh my god, this is honestly the best shower I've ever taken. We're about to go on my favorite activity in the world. Night walking in the Peruvian jungle. Let's see what creatures we find this time. What can we hear? It's always so mysterious. If maybe something scares us, but it's always so much fun. Let's go.
Be quiet.
Okay, let's go.
Is it? Okay, well let's...
Hunter just wait for some prey. We have people that are... 5 a.m. in the morning. We're going up the canopy tower to watch the sunrise. I'm so excited. We're on the second day of the trip. It's been a beautiful journey. We've seen some amazing macaws. That's been my favorite. It's called for birds. Now we go to our new lodge. After a 4-hour boat ride along the Tambopata River, you come here to TRC, Tambopata Research Center. Hello. Welcome to TRC. How are you? Very excited to be here. Look at this bathtub! Mowgli! This is so beautiful! Wow! And look! We got some gifts! What is this?
Macao.
Yes, a macaw, or guacamayo in Spanish.
You will find the jaguar.
We heard one. We heard the pole doing like a jaguar. That was exciting. Beautiful time. It's about to be sunset. It looks amazing. We're trying to look for jaguars. We hear them everywhere.
You have to practice a bit more.
We're looking for jaguars, and so far we've seen some footprints. There's always beautiful sunsets in the jungle, huh? Always. Welcome to the rainforest. This morning has been pretty rainy, so we have been chilling in the hotel, which was really nice. But now we're gonna try and find some monkeys, hopefully some spider monkeys or some howler monkeys. The good thing about the rain is that the monkeys and all the animals like us have been hiding. So now, when the rain's over, they have to come out. More chances of seeing them. Oh, there is another one. The spider monkeys are right there. We can see about 4 or 5, but the large group is way ahead, so we're gonna try and get them. Hey, there! Look! It's not a leaf! It's like a magician trick. Hello, little buddy. This is a belly palm because you can see that it's building up a belly to take water in the wet season and survive in the dry season. But it's also called the erotic palm. You can see why.
Here we have a piece of the bark from that big tree. The name is garlic tree, but we don't use it for cook. We use it as a natural repellent. So we take a piece of the bark, we smash it, we mix it with water or alcohol, and after we pass it in our body, and no mosquitoes, no boyfriends, no friends, no husband, nobody around.
Rainforest expedition has been such an incredible experience. The jungle, as always, it's my favorite. And thank you so much to Epic Travel for showing me a new way of discovering my country. Peru, you keep amazing me every day. Now, ow, 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 ow. I'm biting my boob.